Hi, this is my circuit. The circuit's function is to acquire the sound output from the stethoscope, which completes the biomedical signal processing system. In this video, I will explain the circuit by stages. In stage 1, the TL072 is a dual noise J-FET input general purpose op-amp. It supplies a voltage gain which is usually between 10 mV to 1 volt, but does not provide current. The op-amp amplifies the sound. In this circuit, it is fixed gain, closed loop, non-inverting op-amp, and the circuit needs to bring the signal from an electret microphone up to a level suitable for a line input. The capacitor C1 at 10 microfarad blocks the DC bias voltage from the input. The voltage divider consisting of two 10K resistors provides half of the supply voltage, which supplies the op-amp to be working at a single supply mode. In this case, 4.5 volt. Resistors R2, R3 and capacitor C2, C3 form the passband filter. The passband gain equals to 23 using the formula 1 plus R2 over R1. The coupling capacitor at C4 at 10 microfarads couples the output from the first amplifier. So when any DC input offsets were amplified, it will cause a larger output offset, cutting the output waveform. C4 then passes the AC signal while blocking direct current. First of all, we will set the function gen to sine wave at 1 kHz frequency output and amplitude set at 200 mV peak to peak. Next, we will connect the power supply lines to a DC supply voltage of 9. Next, we will connect the function gen to the test point 1 using this blue wire. We will connect the other clip of the function gen to ground. When we place the probe of channel 1 to test point 1, we will get a reading of 200 mV peak to peak on the oscilloscope. We will keep the probe of channel 1 to test point 1, and by placing the probe of channel 2 to test point 2, it will give us an output of 400 mV. For TP3, we will refer to the schematic diagram to locate the test point. TP3 is found between pin 7 of the IC and C5. This is where TP3 is found on the circuit board. Initially, it will give an output of 500 mV. After some adjustments to the trimmer, it should give us an output of 4 volts. Moving on to test point 4, we will refer to the schematic diagram again to locate it. Test point 4 is found after C8. It is located here on the circuit board. Likewise, some adjustments to the trimmer will give us an output of 2 volts. Lastly, let's locate test point 5. It is found after C13. We will connect the probe of channel 2 to test point 5. We will adjust the trimmer until we get a reading of about 11 volts.